Functional design meets high-performance fabric. What sets the longline sports bra apart from generic activewear is its commitment to precision engineering. Every design decision reflects a focus on functionality without losing sight of visual appeal. Key performance features. Moisturized wicking fabric engineered to draw sweat away from the skin, promoting dryness and comfort even during intense workouts. Breathable constructions allows airflow to regulate body temperature, reducing the risk of overheating. Four-way stretch enhances mobility and provides consistent support during high-intensity movements. Longline cuts offers additional torso coverage, support, and a flattering silhouette.